Yo, welcome to the Food Zone where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's Wednesday's upload. Thanks for being part of this channel and taking the journey in 2021. We beat COVID and many more things to come in 2021. And today we have a really quick cheesesteak Philly taco made from the leftover cheesesteak. So let's take this journey together. It's a quick recipe, and talk to you soon. Bye bye, peace. AKA Batman in the kitchen. Love you. Bye. So for today's Philly cheesesteak taco with Cheez Whiz, this is the ingredients. We have that leftover cheesesteak. We have some more garlic. We have onion. We have Cheez Whiz. We're going to be using some olive oil. And to coat the taco, we have a mixture of sea salt, pepper, and olive oil. So we're going to put that on top of the taco before we build it. We got our pan ready on medium, and we have that soft taco. And that olive oil mixture that I told you, we're going to just coat this, and then we'll put the taco stuff on there. So let's get started. This is a quick recipe for Wednesday, and thanks for being part of my channel. Alright, so we're going to start with putting some olive oil into this pan. And just work that about. And for right now, we're going to take the onion. The onion that we have, and we're going to throw that in there. Start with that, and then we'll add the garlic. I had the pan off for a second, but it was still warm. So I have this on medium. So just let this onion go for a little bit. When it gets cooked, we'll add the garlic. Then after that, we'll throw that leftover cheesesteak into the pan and get it revived with flavors and everything. But you don't really have to add the garlic or the onion, but we want to just add a little bit more to this cheesesteak and blend them together. So I'll be back in 1 minute. Alright, so that onion is starting to cook. So let's just mix this around in that olive oil. It's not going to take long. And then we'll throw in the garlic. Alright, that onion is done, YouTube. So we have this garlic, and we're going to throw that in there. You're only going to have to give this a minute. Stir it about. And then we'll throw the cheesesteak in there. Alright, YouTube, we are back. We got that leftover cheesesteak and that onion and garlic mixture. Throw in that cheesesteak. And the thing you're going to want to do is turn this down between low and medium and just work this steak, garlic, and onion. So just making this cheesesteak a little bit better. If you want, you could add Goya and Worcestershire sauce. I can't say that word. But just start working this, and it's not going to take long. And with a meal like this, you're looking at like a 2-minute taco, because you already cooked the meat prior, and it's really quick to assemble. And like I said, that's that mixture that we're going to brush on the taco when we're done. But we will be back in 1 minute. Alright, YouTube, so that is ready. We're going to get building it. And like I said, if we weren't filming this, this would probably take 2 minutes, maybe even 1 minute. There's the taco. I browned it on both sides in a medium pan with nothing in there, and let's get started. Alright, YouTube, we are ready. We're going to take this mixture, like I said, and just brush this on. I know this is not in a typical cheesesteak, but this olive oil and sea salt and pepper, it's just going to add so much more flavor to this thing. So put the amount on you want. If you wanted to, you could put Cheez Whiz on top of this, but it probably wouldn't go great with the olive oil mixture. If you want it, you could take this taco and put it in the pan face down and blend the colors in. But we just want this added to that. So that's good with that. And now we'll put the steak on and heat the Cheez Whiz and just dump it over. And this is like a simple cheesesteak taco with leftovers. Alright, YouTube, so you can see that how that thing glistens. So the thing you're going to want to do is come over here and take some of your steak and just start placing this on the taco. And then the only thing else that there is to put the cheese whiz on, and you have this really quick taco. Alright YouTube, so there you have the steak and onion and olive oil and pepper surrounding the thing. Now we'll add the cheese whiz. And typically with the Philly cheesesteak, it's either made with two things. It's either made with provolone or cheese whiz. There's definitely a controversy because other places make it with mozzarella and Kraft cheese, like yellow cheese. But it's all up to your preference and your liking. So here's our warm cheese whiz. And we're going to spread the love. And this is how you can make meals out of leftovers. Everyone loves tacos. Everyone loves cheesesteak. And you can't go wrong there. So today is Wednesday's upload. Thanks for being part of this channel. Please subscribe. My YouTube page is here to give you quick recipe ideas. We can relive the past and make old recipes, and we can learn new ones. My channel is definitely not about making stuff from scratch. Who has time to do that? If you're looking for that, there's plenty of YouTube pages out there for that. But make this and enjoy. So I will see you Friday. Peace out. God bless. Bye-bye. Dan Soy, a.k.a. Batman in the Kitchen.